This tutorial will be a review of what capabilities are built into these three buttons at the top of the toolbar. These are mainly for manipulating comments, and I like to make sure that I have comments in my program so that I can understand what it was all about when I come back to it sometime later. So here's a set of comments. I've just selected one paragraph, and it's a comment showing because it has the apostrophes at the beginning of each line. And this first button can, when it's clicked, it adds the comment marks to the left. Right now I just added a second set of comment marks. As long as I click, each time I click it, it adds one more set of comments. So if I hold down the Shift key, it will remove one set of comment marks. There, I've clicked it enough, so now it's all together without the comment marks. And now the second button is for moving the paragraph that's selected to the right or to the left by one space. So we have this selected paragraph. If I click this, it moves to the right one space each time I click it. If I hold down the Shift key while I click it, then it goes the other direction. If I have a comment mark on this paragraph, like here, and I want to shift to the right, leaving the comment marks where they are, I can still use this second button. If I hold down the Alt key, it will keep the comment marks there and shift the text to the right by one space each. Or if I keep the Alt down and hold Shift down and click it, it'll go to the left one space each time. The third button is for changing the width of the comment, the point at which it wraps. So let's take off the comment mark by holding down the Shift key and clicking. And now with this button, I can make it fold at 70 characters to line with just a plain click, like that. Or if I hold down the Shift key, it'll format to 60 characters, a little bit narrower. And if I hold down the Control key alone and click it, then it's still narrower. So I'll go back to the original. Now this one has the other feature also, where you hold down the Alt key and it will keep any comment marks in place. So let me put the comment marks here. And now let's say I wanted to make this narrower. Normally I would, in this case, hold down the Shift key, but I'll hold down the Shift key and the Alt key. The Alt key being the signal that I want to keep the comment marks there, the apostrophes. So you can see it reformatted it and left the apostrophes there. And if I hold down Control and Alt, it will make it even narrower. So the key to doing this, that is keeping the comment marks there and still having the same effect of the button that would have if the comment marks weren't there, is to hold down the Alt key. So that's what alters the behavior. So that's the way you can use all three of these to mess around with your comments in a simple way.